Indian gooseberry, also known as Amla, is a fruit which is highly valued in Ayurveda for its rejuvenating properties. Home remedy for improving immunity. Chop Amla into pieces and grind it into a fine paste. Mix a spoonful of fresh Amla paste in water. Add a spoon of honey for a nice flavor to the Amla water. Drink this Amla honey water on an empty stomach early in the morning to boost your immunity. This keeps frequent colds, coughs, and fever at bay by making the body stronger. Amla is one of the richest sources of vitamin C. It improves the immune system, skin health, and overall well-being. It contains antioxidants which reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Amla is known to lower the blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which makes it an ideal food for diabetics. It is great for hair and skin. Amla promotes hair growth and prevents premature graying of hair. It contributes to healthy skin by promoting collagen production in the body. Amla is traditionally used to treat constipation, indigestion, and acidity. It results in a healthy digestive system. Oranges are not only tasty, they also provide many health benefits. Oranges are known for their properties to heal and protect the skin. Vitamin C and antioxidants in the oranges promote collagen production. They also protect the skin from damaging UV rays and environmental pollutants. They are rich in vitamin A and carotenoids, which are responsible for good eye health. They reduce the risk of age-related vision impairments. High amounts of vitamin C in oranges make them ideal for boosting the immune system and wound healing. 1 to 2 oranges a day take care of your daily vitamin C requirements. Some studies suggest that oranges contain elements that inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Oranges are high in water content and they keep your body hydrated. They also help in weight management. Remedy for ultimate hydration. Cut the oranges into slices and put them in a jug of water. Put this jug in a refrigerator and allow the orange flavors to infuse into the water. Drinking the citrus-infused water keeps you hydrated for a long time, and this is great for summers to prevent dehydration. You can also drink orange juice every day to achieve a healthy, glowing skin.